All right, today we're doing a quick overview of the Traeger grease cover here. We have our Traeger in the screened in. We live in a bit of a buggy environment, so we like to keep it inside when we're not using it. And to further protect the Traeger from bugs or critters entering, we use the grease cover here today. Comes in a nice bubble wrap, so you don't get too many scratches on it. The real effective piece right here is the magnet. So we have our grease cover off down at the grease pan off on the ground here, and it just connects right here like that. The magnet holds it pretty tight. Really have to hit it around to move it, but it goes right over the whole spout here, and the magnet sits right on there. So when we're not using it, we keep that on, and then when we do, we pull this off and then hook the grease bucket right there. And yeah, simple as that.